Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Yes, I. Greetings once again, not the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see it? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seen? You see, me a whole little reason, a little meant to the youth them and things like that. You see it, but I go on. We just want the man them know say, enough respect to all of the elder them who suffer the struggle and bear the torch till this day, so that's the light can still a shine. Big up yourself, my general. Yes, I. Saying, me a run at Bujabant and Capitan and Sizzler. One of them there. Not very long from now. Yeah. Run at them. Yes, Rasta. You know, see it. One will a reason with the youth them, man. Because you have to know the consequence of the action. Actions have consequence. You see. And the wickedest thing about the consequence of one action is like, so it's just believe you me while una dead somebody a benefit big time. I mean not talk mad house and dead house. Somebody a benefit big time, you. I make me explain it. There is 3 strategy of rule with government. You know. So one of them is just fulfilling the promise them where you did make. The one them where people love you and vote you in for. See? That's one of them. The perfect one. See? You see, the second one is chaos. Chaos are kind of the last one, no matter how you categorize them. Chaos. See? And you hear that word now. You see, if the people themselves at work, you see chaos now or something when something happens, something go bad, like natural disaster. That are usually natural chaos, but can use as a reference kind of how we never see civil war and them type of thing. But it's basically what going on in Jamaica, you know, the gunman them be a chaos. But the chaos here are one with them inspire and create. You see it like, you know, them election division and labor right, PNP and type of thing like that, and them, you know, see it. While we have them division amongst ourselves and them fighting them with each other, we can't get for see or organize and have a reasoning and say, yo, this not right, you know, that not right. You know, see it. And you have man oppose some, man want to deal with. You know what I say? Got some bad, yeah. You know, see it. So, chaos, them benefit from chaos because when them disagreement they are going and them disruption they are going in society. See, Babylon, at them time the leaders, them corrupt leaders, them they were create them same sort of eruption. Them time that them object distraction that. See, nobody now get to pay attention to the growth of the country with profit and make or what go on or whatever. You see, people focus on the main focus of how the government will help alleviate the stress, the phenomenon where disrupt the society, make people uncomfortable and things like that. You know, see, and by this infrastructure already in place to deal with most of them things, the money for deal with them things sometimes spend 10, 20 years already. You know, see, because you always have to have a prepared, like you know, like equipment prepared for certain I struggle with that word from it, you know. Inevitability. With certain inevitability. You know, see, there's already a preparedness, like preparing for a storm. You know, see, disaster preparedness. Seeing, so it's not like so well then them have to go jump in the kitty and go buy a bullet and shot and recruit new police and soldier and things like that for quite certain disruption. See, that done it already. So, and I like so them have to go in the whole thing certain way for you take out nothing. Because in a yes, the police and soldier get no raise up here and them thing there. For go do nothing. You know, see, like for influence them, for go deal with a new wave of crime there. You know, see, so when we observe, you know, I say, yet still, not the country are running a debt and costs and certain little thing are incur. And again, you can't, I mean, psychologically, you know, in tune to them observation there. Them things they no matter them time there and them boy they are thief. You know, say them a thief. You see, a object butter that in a puss mouth. Them time there, you see, them think that them cares, them benefit from that. You see, think about it. You see, because in a good time, them corrupt and thief, you hear about JUTC, you hear about this, you hear about education, man, them are about education. You see, you hear about them type of thing there. You see. So, you know, because when a time of peace, you know, when things calm down and not the chaos now go on and them, youth and you may reason, man, just listen to what I say, man. See? Listen to what I say. I know it might be boring, but let's make it go and play something and something soon connect. You know, see? You know, see? It's when a peace and calm, you know, the community and the ghetto them and things like that. Now, poor people start asking more. Not just poor people, middle class people, and the educated, them too. You know, see? Them start demand them words. Or a little bit more than what them get. You know, see, police are comfortable for strike now because of whole of serious dependency not too out there. You know, see, nurse and doctor start demand more and them little thing there. What catch a psychology, you know, when a peace and calm in a state, you find that them things happen. You know, see, patients start complaining about lack of infrastructure in a hospital, school children, people start demand more school people, it just start demand more. You know, see it, and it's more expensive, it take more out of the coffer, and less than for them little takings in order to fill them more, yeah. You know, see it. So it's easier when the chaos are going and nobody can focus on them things and put out much of a demand for them things. You catch remember our politicians them we deal with a Jamaica, you know, a Jamaican we deal with, you know. So you and them bright, educated boy them go to school. You see, them under tutoring from other people who still not even desire for see the relaxation of Jamaican people to a degree where them can think independently and be Rastafari the way all them need to be. You know, see, so some can challenge the norm as usual. You know, see, yeah. So them under dictation for not do much or not do anything at all for change the direction of where things are got today. You know, see, like me I say, it usually, especially given the depths of poverty in the ghetto, seeing yes, it might take a little more than for send security in there go try abuse and kill off and do something when now work, because all the while it just breed more and more, you know. You know, see, than anything else. You know, see, if you did for put some focus, demand more from your councillor and local police and things like that for go in your area them and observe, maintain a presence, put on some gloves, you know, see, with a little change out of the coffer. You know, see, while you're still a thief or not a thief and a do or not do. See, you could have persuade some new youth and even see them all youth them to do some different things. You know, see, but again, that now go benefit on the pocket and on the boss, no mind, because it now go benefit for him status quo neither. You know, see, so youth and youth, I sure say, we have some abject gate man down there, guard our progress and entertain the direction of where things are going on, whether I work with them or not. You know, see, when I now work for them, when I slave for them, I'm sure you know. You see, usually in the case of the nation, them know where them, this is the third strategy. In the case now where them create certain chaos for maintain them robbing, them thieving, them corruption, them usually split and pay them people there that are the saboteurs. Them usually give them a money, man, and give them a thing for do that, for maintain the chaos. Yeah, big money to decent money. See, you have to give man serious money because I secret that to, you know, for life. Yeah, you know, see, a secret that for life, man, I got to fear as a politician, so you have to drop some serious change, you know, them type of man, the pocket, them things happening in some other big country abroad. Me not call the name come now, I look like some I try. You know what I say, but some big, more richer state and them could wait away. You know, see, but usually, them have to pay saboteurs for sabotage the movements and sabotage the thing and keep the country in a chaos and them could think them violence and gang war and them could think that. Like we used to go on in the 80s, them they promise all of them man the visa for going to foreign and the prospect of selling the new drugs, crack on the street to black people. You know, see it and make millions and keep it till the feds come back feed. You know, see it. It's happening at the 80s, man. But the man, they get a reward. And the reward was a shot in the system foot because the remittance from that was what sustained the local economy and make people survive till this day. You know, see, somehow we're there till now. You know, see, listen to what I say, man. We're chill and reason, open our bun and spliff. Because them wavelength here, different. You know, see, So, big up yourself, UK, and sign. See, so, the difference now with Uno and them saboteur there is that them get paid. Uno not get no pay. Uno they not get no. It's not like Uno have a big man behind and we are instructing to do what Uno do. You see it? I'm gonna think in our mind so up against the system, but to not benefit the system so many times over. Because like me I said, the system could appear on to do what Uno do, for maintain the thing, and still I make serious millions and appear on serious millions too. You go no serious benefits too. You know, see, the system they have an approach with that, I now go approach with that again. Because I tell them about it now, so I can't go make them demands there and the man come do it. Because we did done, I get it from them for free already. I wish man I step back. People don't usually devolve, you know. People evolve. You know, see, why fix something if it's broken? Who are you? You know, see, if you done dig your grave already. Can't come make no demands. Just use police and murder on, you know, easy and no credibility because people don't know as who is already. You know, see, just because you know, feel like say you know, claims some of the money you know, put in them pocket. You know, see, read, you know, there's no lines to read between here, you know. These are facts. These are common sense. Think about it. We uno do nowadays benefit politicians because them not have to do nothing. Uno keep the people them busy so that the people them can focus and make a concerted effort to defend the things them will affect uno. For free, uno do it for two. For free, we not oppress some people. For free, we not put millions in a people pocket where uno need, where uno could have benefit from. And while we not benefit. Even as a community, if we not gonna take certain resource from them, even as a community, it can benefit the whole community a lot more. Whole lot, should I say, a whole lot. And corrupt politicians still a push millions of dollars in their pocket and go with the same way. Lot, belly gut amount, greedy boy amount, I go with the same way. I want to still far, far better off than the position we need today and have more progress. You see, all heap of foreign country, most of them top foreign country these days start some program where, in terms of immigration, where them start call it skilled migrant program. How much promotion has our country put into that? How much influence, how much resource has our little country put into that since time, especially since lockdown? Our country should inspire some IT lessons and courses and things like that. So that's, some people can come abroad and work and come back home and spend some money and spend some time and they make a thing there. But them think there's not the interest of our politician them. See, them could have, lobby, make proposition to the top country them where demand skilled migrant and make them know the state of affairs in Jamaica in every regard and come up with some special way, special immigration way how them can take in some youth, some skilled youth for work, make some money, come back and ride up them young again for a couple months and cut again. You know what I say? Yeah, they did that. We are a tag. We make him wear an electronic tag, man. Seeing him can't go nowhere, man. You see, enough of them just know say, yeah, that him not go nowhere. Yeah. You see, again, if you get bite and things like that, say straight 6 years and them things before you ready to take, because you have to go in a prison go work back the money for pay back Jamaica for white investing in you too. You see, then you come back with a normal ostracization of a deportee too. So it's not going to worth it to most man. And the system that knows them things, you see, it act like limp in regards to the development or any approach to any farmer hope, creating any farmer hopes for the youth them, other than the seduction of wanton criminality. See, yeah, it's obvious to me, say our politician them aim it not even for trick the people into thinking that they are about to approach or address these things. No way, shape, or form. See, I mean, poor people get blamed for everything. I want to see it the other day on the Prime Minister jump out and telling us straight, say, I spread COVID. See, Prime Minister telling us that because uno can't follow the road. See, well, like me always say, every country in the world usually go all out to enable them people to abide by the rule. Understandably, we don't have them resource there. See, where's the imagination and the skill? Where's the united effort in order to encourage the people them to take protection? There's more of an effort to cure it with a vaccine than prevent it from happening in the first place. So you use the blame game now upon poor people, and then poor people now bear the pressure. Again, for a vote with them cast for a different result than the one which they might receive over and over and over. You see. So them thing they have to observe youth and youth. Even the thing them wanna do. People are millions are fighting that everywhere. Every shot on a fire. America alone have the copyright on that, you know. Seen? America's tax coffer get something from that. Every shot on a fire. No matter how you look at it. Seen? Yeah, man. It's funny still. You know, see it. Yeah, and the whole premise, the whole concept of the thing is being used as a definition of what going on right now in order to distort the history of things. That's why we read them book here. You see it? And that's why Rastafari put you in touch with the people them put you in touch with. See? Field Marshal, generals of the movement. You see it? I'm making you know some things on them there. You see it? I just my little rant that still today. You see it? Rant over. Blessed love. Rastafari. Share, like, and subscribe. Yes, sir. See? Yes, sir.